I will talk about how can you pay as a gift on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Groupon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just scrolling down here until you will find here any tickets or dates you want to here you want to send as a gift. I'm going to click to this here, then you just switch into Shufrio like this, and here can you pay it as a gift, just click on pay as a gift here. So then it's going to add with you to your cards here, just switch in here to open with you. So then you click here on pay with pay here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here click on continue to add your cards. So then automatically it's going to pay with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.